Ready to crush those candies with your friends and dominate the Candy Crush Saga leaderboards. First, make sure you have the Candy Crush Saga app installed on your mobile device and that you're logged in. Open the app to get started. Look for the blue Facebook Connect button, usually located on the main game screen or within the settings menu. Tap it to link your Candy Crush Saga account to your Facebook profile. You'll be prompted to log into your Facebook account, enter your email address or phone number and password. Then tap login. Don't worry, Candy Crush Saga only requests basic information needed to connect with your friends. Facebook will ask for permissions. Grant Candy Crush Saga permission to access your friend list. This allows the game to identify which of your Facebook friends are also playing Candy Crush Saga. Now you'll see a list of your friends who are already playing. If you want to invite more friends, tap the invite button next to their name. Sending lives is easy. Tap on your inbox or the notification icon. Within the game here, you can request lives from your friends or send lives to those who need them. Connecting with friends unlocks the competitive aspect of Candy Crush Saga. Keep an eye on the leaderboards to see how your scores stack up against your friends. Bragging rights are definitely on the line. And that's it. You're now connected with your friends in Candy Crush Saga, ready to send lives, compete on leaderboards, and enhance your sweet gaming experience. Happy crushing!